Millen from AV King. Just a quick demonstration of the ClickShare unit with a 65-inch touchscreen. So as you can see, we've got that hooked up with USB for the touch as well as the HDMI. If we've got something on our laptop and we just want to play on the laptop, obviously the speakers will come through the laptop. As soon as you click this into your computer, excuse me doing this one-handed, you'll see the indicator lights take 5 to 10 seconds to go solid, and as soon as it goes solid, then you can click that button. It doesn't require any software to be installed on your laptop, and if we can get the right angle here, click the button, and then that makes a copy of what you're doing on your main screen. And if you are using a touchscreen where you've got the USB also connected to your main display, you can then start the presentation from the main touchscreen. And that also has the speakers automatically connected through audio through the HDMI. So that's a demonstration of ClickShare. And again, to disconnect, again, no software required, just the press of the button and you go back to your holding screen. The ClickShare systems are a little more expensive than some other alternatives that we also carry. The ClickShare will set you back around between $1,500 and $2,000 depending on which configuration you take of the box and the buttons. We do also support this much cheaper option, which is a ScreenBeam. The advantage to ClickShare is essentially reliability. If we do the connection through the ScreenBeam, we can go project and wireless and select the Action Tech ScreenBeam there, and then that can extend the display wirelessly through that little unit. As I said, they are a lot cheaper, sort of in the under $500 range, and they also do have models that support touchscreens. However, there's no dongles, so as you can see, it works reasonably well as an extended display from my main display here. But the reliability of this system, which uses the Windows casting, as opposed to the system which uses its own click button, is vastly different. The ClickShare is a very reliable product that doesn't require any configuration on your software, and it also doesn't require you to be on the same network like these other systems can with the more basic configuration. If you'd like some more details of the comparison between the products, or if you'd like some information about the ClickShares that also support the cameras so you can connect your conferencing system with the click button as well, please make contact with us, AV King in Brisbane. Thank you.